Hello, this is Tamir Zain from ElliottWaveForex.com with your weekly analysis for the Euro-US dollar currency pair. In the week since we published our last weekly analysis, in which we expected to see a final rally, the market continued its staircase, slow but sure decline. The ending diagonal, which looked rather typical a few weeks ago, is now coming out of proportion, suggesting that perhaps it had already ended a while back and a new downtrend is slowly yet confidently making its way in the market. We're updating our accounts to reflect the most recent price action and to present tighter targets and invalidation points. So beginning as usual with the big picture on the weekly chart, we see that the euro is moving towards the downside in teal wave X, which is forming a double zigzag labeled maroon waves W, X, and Y. Within it, maroon wave Y is forming a zigzag labeled black waves A, B, and C, where black wave A formed an impulse labeled blue waves 1 through 5, and within it blue wave 5 formed an extension labeled pink waves 1 through 5. Then black wave B formed a running flat labeled blue waves A, B, and C, where blue waves A and B both formed zigzags labeled pink waves A, B, and C. And finally, blue wave C formed an ending diagonal labeled pink waves 1 through 5 and failed to make a new high above that of blue wave A. Now zooming into the daily chart, we see that black wave C is most likely forming an impulse labeled blue waves 1 through 5, and within it blue wave 1 is forming an impulse labeled pink waves 1 through 5, and within that pink wave 1 is forming another impulse labeled green waves 1 through 5. Within it, green waves 1, 2, 3, and 4 are most likely complete, and so this count expects the euro to continue moving towards the downside in green wave 5 to complete pink wave 1. This will be strongly confirmed by movement below 1.1098. Now at 1.1057, green wave 5 would reach 61.8% the length of green wave 1, then at 1.0958 it would reach 100% of its length. This wave count is invalidated by movement above 1.1616, as pink wave 2 may not move beyond the start of pink wave 1. That's all for our analysis for this week. I wish you profitable trading and see you next time.